Hi everybody, today it's Tuesday the 10th of January and it's raining. Great for the garden, not too good for us humans. Never mind, everything's okay. Mr. Chang looking after everybody. Give you a quick tour, let you see the water feature if you're not too bored of it already. The fish no doubt will be here looking for food as always. Hungry boys and girls. Don't know whether we fed them yet today. I'll have to ask the boss, see what she says. I can smell cooking in the background. Ying's making some food for her mum. Don't know what they're having. Probably not too spicy because mum doesn't like food that's too spicy these days. I'll just put the camera through the window and see what they're up to. Talking away, as girls do. Hello girls, you're on video.
Hello.
Hello mummy. Hello.
Hello mommy. Bye bye.
Okay, what are you having for lunch?
We have some Thai sausages and spring bread.
Okay,
Kapot. This is kapot.
okay. Let me just zoom in.
We call kapot.
Okay.
Yeah.
It tastes nice.
Yeah. Alloy.
Alloy.
This is a phone.
A phone, okay.
And a sausage.
Oh. Bye bye.
Bye.